Hello guys, so this is our finished product, our Tapsilog. Go. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's recipe is we are going to cook a Tapsilog, a popular breakfast in the Philippines, of course. And of course guys, our ingredients is we are going to use our main ingredients, tapa, and of course guys, I'm going to use egg and garlic, and of course guys, I'm using here 1/2 cup of rice, and this one is for our garnish. Alright guys, so let's start cooking our tapa. Guys, so here, medium heat. So we're gonna toast some garlic and we're gonna use them as our garnish. At the same time, we are going to use the other garlic for our fried rice. So next guys is our rice. And guys, of course, we are going to add some salt. And we're going to mix it, guys. So guys, our garlic fried rice is already finished. Alright guys, next is our tapa. So I'm not going to put any oil because we are going to cook all of them. Alright guys, so this one, it's gonna be medium heat. So guys, this is our update for our tapa. And of course guys, here is gonna be like low heat. Alright guys, I'll be right back. So guys, our tapa, it's already finished. So next is we are going to cook our egg. Alright guys, next is our egg. Alright guys, so this is our finished product of our egg. It's kind of scary. Alright guys, so let me just assemble them and I'll be right back. Hello guys, so this is our finished product, our Tapsilog. And of course guys, our tapa, I garnish with garlic. And of course our tomato and fried rice and fried egg. Here you have it guys. It's so simple and easy. Here you go. Alright guys, so if you guys want me to cook something, just comment down below. And of course guys, if you want me to mention your name, just comment down below. And please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye!